Howdy, how y'all doing? This is Georgia Phillips Cranmer. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today we're here on the Harmony of the Sea. Yeah, a Caribbean cruise, and we're very excited. We're going to do a room tour of room 10612, a balcony cabin. And if you're interested in that, come join us.
Come join us.
Yeah, we did it.
Getting onto a plane and then flying to Miami, heading to the port, waiting in line and sweating to the oldies, boarding the ship, doing the muster drill, having a light lunch, and checking out the ship, we finally got to head off to our stateroom.
Cute couple here. Welcome to our room. This is our room tour. It's a long ship. We're at 16, 17, 14, oh no. I think here comes ours. 612.
Now they're supposed to leave your luggage right there at your door. My luggage was about 5 cabins down, not even close to my room.
It opened. Yay. Oh, look at this. What's your impressions, Terry?
It looks nice.
This is awesome.
I like how the couch is with the dresser there. And then we've got the 2 closets.
Right in front of the front door, there's a full-length mirror. Wow, look, I'm egotistic. Or just waving to say hi. Just like most cruise ships, you have to put your key in the little slot to turn on the lights. We kept our cabin fairly cold, and for the light for the bathroom is on the outside. Warning, warning. Watch your step in these cruise ship bathrooms. Yeah, you just might fall over, especially if you have a fractured foot like I have. Ever since we had a cabin where the toilet did not work on a cruise ship, we always check it out and make sure it's flushing well. In this case it is. Believe me, it's crucial that the toilet works. You will find out that the showers on the Oasis class ships, there's plenty of room. Wow! The shower controls are kind of unique. On the left side, you have your flow control valve, and on the right side, you have your temperature control. We also had plenty of pressure and never ran out of cold water. And just below the shower controls, there were 2 hooks you could hang your wet bathing suits on. Looking up the slide bar, we'll find an adequate, but not so adjustable, shower head. Though this slide bar did allow us to move this head down. For those little tykes. They provide salt and breeze double duty, hair and body wash. Nice! How good can this be? Can't wait to try it! Bring your own body wash. The bottle barely dribbles. They provided us with 2 really nice bath towels, but certainly I could ask for more from my room attendant. And to deal with conservation, we could just leave our towels hanging and they would not change them out. Stick them on the floor, you got new towels. You got a small sink, a new bar of soap, and if you look around, there are no outlets within this bathroom, or bananas in that container. The dresser had 5 drawers in it, and 1 large one with food service menus, the type you can hang on the door the night before and order your continental breakfast. And look, some toilet reading material. On the top small drawer, there's a hair blower. Of course you can't use it in the bathroom, but you can use it here on the desk. And there's a box of tissue, but no tissue box holder, at least what we could find. On the desk, our room attendant left us with, some important information, instructions, our excursion tickets, and look, how to dress to impress. What? He didn't like my shorts? They are plaid. There were several outlets on the desk. 3 110s, 2 USBs, and a partridge in it. Wait. 1 European. Yeah, that's what you get. In the dresser, you're going to find a refrigerator. Now, one of the hacks I've given out in the past is turn down that fridge to the coolest setting. Now, this fridge was not working well due to the fact it needed a major cleaning and defrosting. Maybe I can scrape some ice off of here, at least for my margarita. Our stateroom layout had the bed next to the large window looking out towards the balcony, while our couch was towards the entry door. The adjacent cabins will have an opposite configuration. So cabin 610 and 614 would have the couch next to the window, whereas our room 612 and every other cabin, such as 608 or 616, will have a configuration like ours, the bed next to the window. So be aware what configuration you want while choosing a cabin. We found ample room under our bed to put our empty luggage for the week. It allows us to get that luggage out of the way. The TV, well, it was really nice size, but let me tell you, the programming just sucked. There is a copious amount of storage area using these two wardrobes bookmarking the couch. In this first cupboard, we'll find several shelves that you can stick your clothes or junk on, and a safe using a magic 4-digit code, such as 1111. To keep your valuables and passports in. Of course, take some time to enjoy this beautiful decor, such as this picture of an infinity pool. In the second wardrobe, you have a large area to hang your garments with a solid hanging rod. They also provide hangers. And another fold-down rod, maybe to hang some shirts. There's also instructions how to get your clothing washed and pressed. Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class ships don't have self-laundry. Keep that in mind. Our cabin can feature 2 twin beds or a convertible to a Royal King, which means a little bit smaller than a California King, and that's the configuration we had. The right side of the bed had a master switch to the above light and a 110 outlet and a little side light that you could use, but no USBs. Now I slept on the left side and I got jack. Yeah, just a phone jack. No USB, no 110 outlet. Lucky I brought a long USB cord with a 110 adapter to bring USB to my side of the bed.
Come on out to the balcony. Got plenty of room. Adjust my chair.
Oh, these are nice chairs.
These are nice chairs. I can just sit back. I got footsies, and I'm still not touching. Got a nice place for a drink, for breakfast.
Now start. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Got a drink.
And then a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit. This is a pretty good sized balcony. I'm enjoying it. You know what we asked for? What did we ask for in balcony?
A port view.
We got a port view, and I specifically asked for the parking lot view. And you know what? I got it. Yeah.
Luggage in. This is cool. I really like this balcony.
Yeah, it is covered.
Covered all the way up.
A little bit of privacy.
Yeah.
Except we got a blowhorn right there. I guess we can hear all the announcements. But no camera. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, this is nice.
The packing's undone, the luggage is empty. I got a Dr. Pepper, and now it's time to relax and watch that ocean until dinner time. Man, that's been fun doing that room tour, and I want to say I appreciate each one of you for joining me today. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Hit that notification bell. Give me 2 thumbs up, because this is George the Fearless Rambler. Want to lay back on that lounge chair again. Signing off.